A new era of naval warfare has begun, marked by technological advancements that are reshaping the battlefield. The vast expanse of the open ocean has become a critical stage for demonstrating military might, where every advantage counts. Recently, the U.S. Navy unveiled a game-changing asset, a massive combat drone deployed from an aircraft carrier, showcasing the future of naval aviation. This deployment marks a significant leap forward in naval warfare, ushering in an era of unmanned systems operating alongside traditional warships, enhancing their capabilities. This essay will delve into the capabilities of this remarkable drone, exploring its strategic implications, potential missions, and the future of naval operations. The drone in question, while not explicitly named in available information, shares striking similarities with the MQ-1C Triton, a maritime surveillance and reconnaissance platform developed for the U.S. Navy, known for its advanced technology. This unmanned aircraft system, with its impressive range and endurance, promises to revolutionize naval operations, providing unprecedented reach and persistence. Its arrival signals a paradigm shift in how the Navy projects power and gathers intelligence, offering new strategic advantages. No longer reliant solely on manned aircraft and surface ships, the U.S. Navy can now deploy a persistent, watchful eye over vast swaths of ocean, enhancing situational awareness and response capabilities, ensuring dominance in maritime domains. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the MQ-1C Triton is a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aircraft system designed to provide persistent maritime intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With a wingspan exceeding that of a Boeing 737, the Triton dwarfs its predecessors, carrying a sophisticated suite of sensors and communication equipment. This technological marvel can fly for over 24 hours at altitudes exceeding 50,000 feet, covering millions of square miles of ocean in a single mission. Its primary sensor, the multifunction active sensor, is an advanced radar system capable of detecting and tracking surface vessels, even in challenging weather conditions. Complementing the MFAS is a suite of electro-optical and infrared cameras, providing high-resolution imagery and video for target identification and analysis. The Triton's communication suite enables it to relay real-time intelligence to command centers and ships at sea, providing a comprehensive picture of the maritime domain. The deployment of the MQ-1C Triton from an aircraft carrier offers several key operational advantages. Firstly, its impressive range and endurance significantly expand the Navy's surveillance capabilities. Operating from a mobile platform like an aircraft carrier allows the Triton to cover vast areas of the ocean, enhancing situational awareness and providing early warning of potential threats. Secondly, the Triton's ability to operate at high altitudes provides a wider field of view and reduces its vulnerability to enemy defenses. Its sophisticated sensor suite allows it to detect and track surface vessels from afar, providing valuable intelligence for naval commanders. Furthermore, the unmanned nature of the Triton reduces the risk to human pilots, making it an ideal asset for missions in contested or hostile environments. Its deployment from an aircraft carrier also enhances its survivability, as it can be launched and recovered away from fixed land bases which are vulnerable to attack. The MQ-1C Triton's primary mission is to provide persistent maritime surveillance and reconnaissance, ensuring that vast oceanic areas are continuously monitored. Its advanced sensors can detect and track a wide range of surface vessels, including warships, merchant ships, and fishing boats, providing real-time data to naval commanders. This information is crucial for maintaining maritime domain awareness, tracking enemy movements, and protecting vital shipping lanes, which are essential for global trade and security. The Triton's ability to operate for extended periods allows it to monitor areas of interest for days or even weeks at a time, providing a continuous stream of intelligence. This persistence is invaluable for tracking the movements of adversary submarines, which rely on stealth and deception to operate effectively, making it a critical asset in anti-submarine warfare. By detecting and tracking surface vessels that may be supporting submerged submarines, the Triton can help to limit the enemy's freedom of maneuver and provide early warning of potential attacks, enhancing overall maritime security. The Triton's surveillance capabilities extend beyond traditional military targets, offering a versatile tool for various maritime operations. It can also be used to monitor illegal activities such as piracy, smuggling, and illegal fishing, contributing significantly to maritime security and law enforcement efforts. Its high-resolution cameras can capture imagery of suspicious activities, providing crucial evidence for prosecution and deterring future wrongdoing, thereby enhancing the rule of law at sea. Projecting power strike capabilities and beyond the horizon engagement. While the MQ-1C Triton is primarily a surveillance and reconnaissance platform, its potential for strike missions and beyond the horizon engagement cannot be overlooked. This versatile drone is designed to operate in various environments, providing critical intelligence and situational awareness. Although not currently equipped for such roles, the Triton's size and payload capacity make it a suitable candidate for future weaponization. Its robust design allows for the integration of advanced weapon systems, enhancing its operational capabilities. The ability to launch missiles or guided bombs from a high-altitude, long-endurance drone would provide the Navy with a significant tactical advantage. This capability would enable precision strikes on high-value targets while minimizing the risk to human pilots. The Triton could engage targets from afar, potentially hundreds of miles from the carrier strike group, reducing the risk to manned aircraft and extending the Navy's reach. This extended range is crucial for maintaining a strategic advantage in contested environments. Furthermore, the Triton's ability to loiter over the battlefield for extended periods makes it an ideal platform for providing close air support to ground troops or conducting time-sensitive strikes. Its endurance ensures continuous coverage and rapid response to emerging threats. Its sophisticated sensors could be used to identify and track enemy targets with great precision, minimizing collateral damage and ensuring mission success. This advanced targeting capability is essential for modern warfare, where accuracy and efficiency are paramount. Real-world applications. The MQ-1C Triton in action. While the specific details of the recent MQ-1C Triton deployment remain classified, historical examples provide valuable insights into the drone's potential applications. In 2019, for instance, a U.S. Navy Triton operating from Guam played a crucial role in monitoring Chinese naval activity in the South China Sea. The drone's persistent surveillance capabilities allowed the U.S. to track the movements of Chinese warships and aircraft, providing valuable intelligence about their intentions and capabilities. The Triton's ability to operate for extended periods without refueling or requiring a nearby landing strip proved invaluable in this context, as it allowed for continuous monitoring of the strategically important waterway. The future of naval warfare advancements and implications. The deployment of the MQ-1C Triton from an aircraft carrier marks a significant milestone in the evolution of naval warfare. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated unmanned systems operating alongside traditional warships. Future iterations of the Triton may be equipped with more advanced sensors, longer endurance, and even artificial intelligence capabilities, enabling them to operate with greater autonomy and effectiveness. The development of swarming technologies could see multiple Tritons operating in concert, providing comprehensive coverage of vast areas and overwhelming enemy defenses. The increasing reliance on unmanned systems in naval warfare raises important questions about the future of human involvement in combat. While it is unlikely that humans will be completely removed from the decision-making loop, the growing autonomy of these systems will necessitate a careful reassessment of ethical and legal considerations. Conclusion: a force multiplier for a new age. The U.S. Navy's deployment of a massive combat drone from an aircraft carrier represents a paradigm shift in naval warfare. The MQ-1C Triton, with its impressive capabilities and strategic advantages, is poised to play an increasingly important role in maritime operations. Its ability to provide persistent surveillance, extend the Navy's reach, and potentially conduct strike missions makes it a valuable asset in an increasingly complex and challenging maritime environment. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications for unmanned systems in naval warfare, ushering in a new era of maritime power projection and global security.